Russia's COVID vaccine Sputnik V has been recommended for use in India by a committee of experts as the country battles a record spike in infections. If approved, this will be the third vaccine to be used in India after Serum Institute of India's Covishield, developed by Oxford AstraZeneca and Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. Sputnik V, manufactured in India by Dr. Reddy's, has the highest effectiveness 91.6% after the Moderna and Pfizer shots. Dr. Reddy's had applied on February 19 for emergency use of the vaccine, which is in phase 3 of the clinical trials in India. Almost all 5 states now in the middle of the electoral process have seen a doubling of the number of COVID-19 positive cases over the past fortnight. Some of them, like Assam and West Bengal, saw campaigning even before the Election Commission announced the schedule on February 26th. Once the dates were declared, it has been a no-holds-barred outing for political parties, with the COVID-19 protocol barely followed during the rallies and marches. The result is that they have witnessed an over 300% increase in fresh cases in the past 14 days. The worst affected is Bengal, with 378% change for the worse. The number of cases has gone up by 30,230. The state is going through a ferociously fought 8-phase election, voting for which will only end on April 27th. Mamata Banerjee has been clean bowled and her entire team has been asked to leave the field, Prime Minister Narendra Modi declared today while campaigning in Bengal, once again using the Didi O Didi dig that the Trinamool Congress has condemned fiercely. Prime Minister Modi, campaigning in Bardhaman for the Bengal election that is halfway through, said, "Didi O Didi, if you want to unload your anger, I am here. Abuse me all you want, but don't insult Bengal's dignity and tradition. Bengal won't tolerate your arrogance, tolabaz, that is extortion, cut money syndicate, because people want asol paribartan, which is real change." The Trinamool Congress on Monday submitted a memorandum to the Election Commission of India against top leaders of the BJP for spinning false narratives of brutal incident in Cooch Behar district. Mamata Banerjee-led TMC has also accused the BJP leaders of instigating violence against the electorate in West Bengal. In the memorandum, the TMC has quoted BJP leaders like Dilip Ghosh, Rahul Sinha, Sayantan Basu and Arjun Singh for allegedly making inflammatory statements during their respective poll campaigns or through their tweets. The TMC has further requested the poll watchdog to immediately initiate appropriate strict legal action against Dilip Ghosh, Rahul Sinha, Sayantan Basu and Arjun Singh, Soumitra Khan, Suvendu Adhikari and the BJP for their inflammatory, instigatory, inciting statements and openly threatening the electorate and restrain them from campaigning for remaining phases. The Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education has postponed the Maharashtra Board Class 10 and 12 board exams scheduled to be held in the month of April. Now the Maharashtra Board 10th exams will be held in the month of June, while the Class 12 exams will be conducted in the month of May. The decision has been announced after consultations with various stakeholders, including students, teachers, parents, elected representatives from across the parties, academicians, and tech giants, informed State School Education Minister Varsha Gaikwad. The decision has been taken due to rising cases of COVID-19 in the state and across India. A large section of students and parents were demanding a postponement in the board exams. Earlier, the Maharashtra board exams were scheduled to begin on April 23rd and April 29 for classes 10 and 12 respectively. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our Super Supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.